Welcome back to Explaining Everything, the channel where we dive into the stories and mysteries behind everyday things. Today's question comes from one of our curious viewers, Nina Ninja 24. Thanks for the suggestion, Nina. You asked, what is the difference between a highway and a freeway? It sounds like a simple question, but the answer has more twists than a GPS recalculating after you miss your exit. Highways, freeways, interstates, they all sound like slightly different flavors of roads that make you late for work. But trust me, there's a real difference hiding under all that asphalt. So buckle up, stay in your lane, and let's cruise through the world of highways and freeways, right here on Explaining Everything. Let's start with highways. A highway is basically any main public road that connects towns, cities, or even entire states. Think of it as the roads glow up from local street to important enough to have a number. Highways are old school. They existed before cars became the traffic-clogging monsters they are today. Back then, highways were about connecting places more efficiently than dirt paths or wagon trails. The Romans had highways. America had highways before gas stations became a thing. In short, highways walked so freeways could run. Now here's the catch. A highway can be anything from a simple two-lane road with stoplights and driveways, all the way to a big multi-lane road that looks almost like a freeway. You could be cruising on a highway at 65 miles per hour, feeling the wind in your hair, only to slam the brakes at a red light because a tractor is turning left into a cornfield. That's the highway life. So, key point. Highway equals important road, not necessarily traffic light free. Now, what about freeways? Freeways are like highways, but with rules that make them feel bougie. The free in freeway doesn't mean free to drive on. Although yes, in most of the US, there are no tolls. It actually means free of interruptions. No stop signs, no traffic lights, no random left turns. Just smooth, uninterrupted driving at legally questionable speeds. If highways are like your regular coffee, freeways are like your overpriced cold brew. Sleek, consistent, and designed for long-haul efficiency. Freeways have controlled access, which means you can only enter or exit using ramps. No pulling out of a McDonald's parking lot straight into traffic. No tractor suddenly appearing in the left lane. It's a road built purely for high-speed travel, nothing else. But don't get it twisted. Freeways can still test your patience. Sure, there aren't stoplights, but there are traffic jams, construction zones, and that one guy in the left lane who refuses to go faster than 52. If the difference is so clear, highways can have stoplights, freeways don't. Why does everyone mix them up? Simple, because a freeway is technically also a highway. Yep, every freeway is a highway, but not every highway is a freeway. It's like squares and rectangles, or how every celebrity is famous, but not every famous person is a celebrity. Highways are the category. Freeways are the specific type inside that category. To make things even more confusing, different countries and even different states use the words differently. In some places, motorway or expressway might mean the same thing as freeway. In others, highway is just used casually for any major road, even if it's not technically one. And don't even get me started on turnpikes, parkways, or beltways. Road naming committees are basically just trolling us at this point. So the next time someone corrects you and says, "Actually, this is a freeway, not a highway," just nod and say, "Cool, Professor Asphalt." Let's make it practical. Take Route 66, one of the most famous highways in America. It was iconic, connected tons of cities, and had all the stoplights and roadside diners you could dream of. Classic highway. Now think of Interstate 5 on the West Coast. That's a freeway. You get on via a ramp, you stay on, and you don't stop unless traffic decides you're all going to be parked together for the next 45 minutes. The design tells the story. Highways are flexible, adaptable, and sometimes a little chaotic. Freeways are strict, streamlined, and a little soulless. But they'll get you where you're going faster. Well, unless you're in Los Angeles, in which case good luck, because nothing moves there except the smog. So, what's the difference between a highway and a freeway? Basically, highways are like casual hangouts, and freeways are like VIP clubs where only cars with ramps on their guest list are allowed inside. So next time someone asks you, "Are we on the highway or the freeway?" you can flex your knowledge and say, "Well, technically, we're on both." Then enjoy the look of regret on their face as they realize they've just been trapped in your unsolicited TED Talk about roads. And there you have it, the mystery of highways versus freeways, solved. If you now know the difference, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until then, drive safe and don't hog the left lane. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.